We are analyzing the extreme hardware value and pro-grade engineering of the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra to see exactly how it redefines the high-end flagship mobile market for creators, professionals, and heavy power users. Before we dive into the deep technical specifications, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest high-density tech analysis. Now, let's break down the hardware. At the structural processing core of this ultra flagship sits the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, built on an advanced leading-edge node to deliver unmatched CPU performance, real-time hardware ray tracing, and dedicated AI computing efficiency. For memory and storage configurations, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is weaponized with up to 16 GB of ultra-fast LPDDR5X RAM paired with internal storage scaling up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, providing massive bandwidth for high-resolution video capture and heavy multitasking. Moving to the visual center, the front features a massive 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display with a smooth 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and enhanced peak brightness, protected by tough Gorilla Armor glass to suppress glare and withstand daily wear. Productivity is elevated by the integrated built-in S Pen stylus, stowed directly inside the titanium chassis for precise note-taking, document signing, remote camera controls, and fine digital art creation. The camera architecture is led by a powerful 200-megapixel primary main sensor with optical image stabilization, flanked by an ultra-wide sensor and dual telephoto lenses offering high-density optical zoom capabilities for distant subjects. Sustaining this high-performance platform is a 5,000 mAh high-capacity battery pack optimized for extended daily endurance and supported by upgraded 60W wired fast charging alongside fast wireless charging capabilities. Software execution is driven by Samsung's One UI built on top of Android, delivering long-term security support, advanced Galaxy AI productivity features, and seamless desktop integration through Samsung DeX. The standout feature here is undoubtedly the combination of the top-tier Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, the 200-megapixel camera array, and the built-in S Pen productivity setup, making it an elite benchmark in the smartphone industry. Stay ahead of the tech curve, like, subscribe, and check the official link in the first pinned comment below. Thanks for watching.